Close, Organon of Medicine. Here is the detail. Dr. Stuart Close, Organon of Medicine. Here is the detailed information you can use to prepare the answer about Dr. Stuart Close for BHMS Second-Year of Organon of Medicine. Dr. Stuart Close. Dr. Stuart Close was a prominent homeopathic physician and author who made significant contribution to the field of homeopathy, especially in understanding and teaching of Organon of Medicine. Biography, November 25, 1860 in Wisconsin, USA. Profession, homeopathic physician, author and educator, influenced by Dr. James Tyler Kent, one of the prior of the homeopathy. Dr. Close was known for the deep understanding of Samuel Hahnemann organ of medicine and his ability to simplify and explain its complex concept. Contribution of homeopathy. Book Genius of Homeopathy. Dr. Close wrote the book The Genius of Homeopathy based on the lecture he gave to his student. It is considered one of the most comprehensive interpretation of organ of medicine. Key topic cover include the philosophy of homeopathy, Hahnemann principle, and practical application of homeopathy in clinical practice. Philosophy of practice. Dr. Close emphasizes strict and adherence of the Hahnemann's principle as outlined in the Organon of Medicine. He believed in individualization treatment based on totality of symptom and the single remedy approach. Focus on the holism. Advocate the patient as whole, including mental and emotional physical aspect, as emphasis in aphorism 9 of Organon. Scientific homeopathy. Close support the integration of scientific method with homeopathy. His work bridged the gap between the philosophy and clinical practice in homeopathy. Key contribution in Organon of Medicine. Concept of similia similibus curenter. Close explain on homeopathy Hahnemann's law of similar and explain it with practical example. Potency selection. He elaborated on potency selection at the importance of the minimum dose, emphasizes the Hahnemann's method. Homeopathic philosophy simplify the concept of vital force, miasm and chronic diseases. Case taking and analysis. Close provide detailed method for effective case taking. Consider both objective and subjective symptoms. Influence of homeopathic education. Dr. Close technique continue to guide homeopathic practitioner and student worldwide. His lecture helps specify, simplify, and clarity for understanding the Hahnemann's organ of medicine of homeopathy. Significance of BHMS student. Help in understanding the key principle of organ like vital force, totality of symptom, and case taking. Provide practical guiding for applying homeopathic philosophy in clinical practice. Bridge the philosophical concept of organon with specific reasoning, aiding student in grasping complex topic. Conclusion. Dr. Claus remain as a founder figure in study and practitioner of homeopathy. His work, particularly the Genius of Homeopathy, continue to be guiding light for student and practitioner in understanding and applying the principle of Organon of Medicine. This comprehensive answer cover all the aspects of Dr. Stuart Claus' contribution and should help you score well in your exam.